Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Google introduces Doodle coding game to pass time at home. The world is locked down because of coronavirus. Now we are working from home due to lockdown situation and we do our office work from home. Now Google is default search engine for everyone worldwide and all of you have to see this doodle in the home page. So you have seen this doodle and now to play this game, to play this coding game, you must first click on this doodle, and here you will see a coding game on which you have to click again, and as soon as you tap this coding game, a new page of your game will be open again. And but before play how to play this game, before start I want to say, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the game, and now we just click on this. We have seen, again we have click on this. As soon as you the tap of this coding game, a new page of the open again, and now get the instruction. Let's get to the party, collect carrots on the way using the code blocks. So but before we going to the playing game, I want to say the little about this game. Google make doodle on popular game coding know how to play, and this Google Doodle, Google relaunches popular game series by making doodles play like this. And Google has been making dedicated doodles for corona warriors for the first several days, while Google has launched the old game series by making doodles. The doodle depicts the popular game coding, and users will be able to relive their old days by playing games. Let us know that the company reintroduced and this popular game for special children 2017. So in 2017 it was all this Google already shows this popular game, and even before this company had made these doodles which people liked very much. So it is know how to play this great coding game by clicking on this doodle. This game released on Google is very good, and children can play this game easily. The game is features is bunny or rabbit. To win this game, users have to collect all carrots, and now you have seen this all the carrots. For this, users have to place all the carrots or all the tiles in the carrot order to which carrots are corrected. So you have seen this. So this is the carrots. You have seen this is the carrots, and this is the. So now you have seen this is the tiles. You just place in this way this tiles. So 2 times. So again you have to see this 2 times. 2 carrots. And this is the rabbit, and you collect this. You just see this mouse arrow. Now just click on this start. So 2 carrot, then all the then again was then this in this way we will reach the next level. So this is the next level. Thanks, I love carrots. So in this level you have to first and then. So in this level you have seen this two step in front of, and then round, then turn, and then again 2. So first 2 just arrow means first 2 step, and then arrow, and then again 2 tiles. Very easy game, very easy coding game for children, but it is very time passing game for whatever. Great. Okay, now this is the 3rd level of carrot game. Now you have seen try loops. So there is also loops there, and this is the you have seen. So this is the tutorial, and now there is one loops in the middle. You have seen. So first 2 you have seen these 2 carrots in front of this rabbit. So first 2, then you turn, then turning point, and then again 2 arrows, then again 2 carrots, then you turn, then 2 carrots, and then 1 carrot. Then you turn, no, and then this carrot. Now play. So this is the third stage complete. Now go to the next stage, next level. Here see there is lots of carrots. 1 2 3 4 stage, shortest solution. So there is a, so first 2, then again you turn, then 2. First I just want to, okay, then you turn, then again 2, oh, then you just first make your bounce there. So if first 2, then you turn 2, then again 2, then 1, then you turn, then 1, then you just see there is the one loop, and then again 2, then you turn, then again 2, then you turn, then again 2, then again 2, and then again you turn, and then again 1. And now so this is, in this way you just go to the play, but it is too difficult to show. You just then select this, and again 2, 1 2, again you turn, again 2, and then again you turn, and then again 1. So this is the puzzle, and you have to select this. So first you have to go, first everything I just drop out, and first go to the round arrow, and then 2, first 2, then go to the back round, you turn, then 2, then again you turn, then again 2, and then again you turn, and 1, 1 2, and then 3, then again you turn, then again 2, then again you turn, and then 2, then again you turn, and then again 1. So this is the way. So this is the game. If you find this solution, then it is fine. This is the right turn and this is the left turn, and you just select this loophole. So see, this is the loophole. See the mouse, and in this way you just collect the carrots and you will reach the next level of your game. So that is the simple Google Doodle game, and this is the main coding game, and this is very popular game for children. If you like and if you want to time pass in this lockdown situation, then you can make this you surely play this game and you just enjoy with playing this game. And the very interesting game, and very if you have some gain some knowledge whenever you are playing this game. So that's it about this game, and now I think that you just understand how can you play this game, this Google coding game. And that's it about our video today. And after watching this video, now you can know the detail about how to play this Google coding game. And hope you will enjoy this video and you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you and enjoy with this playing this game. Thank you.